Welcome to day 2. It's going to follow the same format. We're going to hit 3 circuits with cardio burst in between. A1, we're going to go with the good old-fashioned compound lift, the deadlift. So what Jordan's doing really well here, he's keeping his chest above the bar and keeping his legs really close. You don't want the bar to get away from you because that's going to increase the risk of injury. So we want to stay right on top of the bar, driving our feet through the ground and then extending through the hips at the end of the movement. Notice that he's locking those shoulder blades back and down before he pulls that weight up. The second exercise in this circuit is going to be dumbbell shoulder press. What we want to do here is we're going to start with the elbows out here, and we're going to press straight up overhead, trying to keep the rib cage down, explode up, and come down controlled. Sometimes this wider elbow stance is going to be a little bit painful for some people who've dealt with shoulder injuries. If that's you, you want to bring the dumbbells in and keep the elbows pointed straight ahead. This is more of a neutral grip here, which should relieve some of that stress if you have shoulder impingements or any type of shoulder pain. We're going to be finishing off circuit 2 with the sled drag. You want to hit this for about 45 seconds or the length of the turf. The next exercise is going to be dumbbell squats. What we want to do here is start with the dumbbells on the side, and we're going to keep the feet about hip width apart or maybe even a little bit wider depending on what's most comfortable for you. We're going to go down slowly and pop right back up, fighting gravity on the way down. What you don't want is to just allow yourself to fall down and bounce out of that movement. You want to control the motion down. Good. Jordan's doing a great job of that. Notice he's not just falling straight down towards the ground. He's taking this nice little pause and driving right back up. From here, if you want to progress things a little bit, we're going to kick these dumbbells up into what we call our front rack position. This is going to be more of a front squat. It's going to force him to keep that chest up, and it's really going to focus on those quads. In B2, we're going to hit cable rows. You could use any attachment of your preference. If you want to go more neutral grip, you could get the handles. If you want to go wider, you could get a bar. So we're going to hit these for about 8 to 12 reps. B3 is going to consist of good old-fashioned jumping jacks. You want to get that heart rate up, make sure you keep the pace up. We're starting our last and final circuit with tricep press downs. You want to get about 12 to 15 reps here. C2, you're gonna hit the floor and we're gonna do reverse crunches. You wanna make sure you're getting after that core and really getting those hips and butt off the ground. You're next. You want to go ahead and hop on the rower, grab the handle, and you're just going to go all out for 15 seconds, making sure you get that heart rate up. That heart rate should be blasting right now. You should feel a little winded. Go ahead and take about a minute and a half break and then follow that circuit all over again.